Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing Send These 20 postcards with positive attitudes. They are made by Compendium, and it looks like it's made by the store is Fine Lines Los Angeles. Here are 20 bright and cheerful postcards. 20 little bursts of confidence, encouragement to share with the world. Send these words to friends and family on special occasions or just because. Or keep them to yourself for a little inspiration every day. I really enjoy sending what I call happy mail to my friends because we pretty much only get bills. And if you still subscribe to magazines, then magazines. So I love sending little surprise notes to people, and there's 20 postcards in here. They all have a positive attitude. It's really cute. It says send them, hide them, pin them, mail them, gift them, frame them, keep them, believe in them. So there's just a few ways to get started with these. I'm going to show you all the 20 different designs. This one says, you shine. This one says, love you. This one says, good thoughts. This one says, you're ready. This one says, laugh loud. This one says, more fun. No doubts. Magic happens, which I totally believe in. Say yes. It's always an adventure to say yes instead of saying no. Happy times. Big hugs. Something I'm a big believer in. Hugs are magical. Begin today. You can. Oh, oops, I missed one. Believe this. Take heart. Dream big, which I completely believe in. Dream big. Ask, believe, and receive. This one says, lucky day. It's true. And you're amazing, which is always a nice compliment to give someone. So, 20 in here. Written by Ruth Austin, designed by Justine Edge, and edited by M.H. Clark. Yes, these were made in 2017. This is the first printing. It was printed in China with soy inks, which is really nice. These are something fun you can just send to your friends, your loved ones. Make sure to get postcard stamps because they're a lot cheaper than the forever stamps that they sell. They're made specifically for postcards, so you can send them cheaper than sending them with a forever stamp. You can also frame them and give yourself some inspiration, some art on your walls, which is always fun. Yeah, it's just a fun little thing to send in the mail. My sister actually gave these to me as a gift. I give my husband little cards that I put in his computer bag, and I put them inside the laptop so that when he opens them, a little card falls out with a little positive message telling him to have a wonderful day at work or that I love him. It's important to celebrate every day and remind people how important they are to you and how much you love them, because you never know when you won't be able to say I love you to that person or give them some encouragement or congratulations, because I believe that every day is worth celebrating and being kind is the most important thing. So these are just really fun. Send these postcards, 20 postcards with positive attitude. They are 6.5 inches by 4.8 inches, how big they are. And back looks like this. So it's got a spot for the, what do you call it, stamp, and then it says hashtag live inspired, and you put the address over here, and then your little message right here goes there. It's a great little book of postcards, so definitely check these out. Something I really enjoy. I should start actually doing what it says on the front and send these to people. Start surprising my husband with these, mom or my dad, or my in-laws. Something just fun to send to people and remind them that they mean a lot to you. So yeah, check these out, and like I say, don't take my word for it, try them yourself. They're a fun little book of postcards, not too expensive, and a fun reminder for your friends and family that you love them and you believe in them. So check it out.